What's good? It's your boy Mustang Muscle 5.0 back with another video. As you can see, it's terrible outside. But today's video is about me heading to Power Lab to get this GT350 R-Track spoiler installed on Athena, to give it a little bit more downforce, to put a little bit of that power to the back wheel, also for aesthetic looks, make it look a little bit aggressive from the back. I can't wait, you know what I'm saying? But man, today is horrible, you know. I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on. I wish it was a beautiful day, man, so you know I can make it look good, man. You know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, man, like I say, I'm headed to Power Lab. Matter of fact, let me show y'all right quick, cause you know I had to take it out the box because it wasn't gonna fit in the car if I had it in the box, in the packaging that it came. So here it is right here. I got it laid across, as you can see. So, but yeah, anyway, let me keep my eyes on this road, man. Look at this, man. So as y'all can see, let me keep my eyes on this road, man. I don't want to mess around and be wrapped around, and I know she's gonna be mad. I'm gonna be mad. All right, till we get there. Made it here at Power Lab with the guys to go ahead and install the wing on the car on Athena, and I'm finna get ready to hand the keys to Chase, the man, the tuner, the legend, and all that. Y'all know.
Appreciate it, Ishay.
No problem.
I'm gonna go ahead and get her pulled around. If you want to, you can meet me out back, and we'll get started.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so we finna meet Chase. In the back door, we got Drew here, the man, the myth, the legend. Yes, sir. We also got one of our members, and this is his Eco Boost. Then went and got the race intercooler and all. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, check it out. Y'all see the downpipe? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looking real good. Yeah, we ain't gonna give up all his secrets, cause he gonna be doing 10s, maybe low 9s somewhere in the future, y'all. Girl, go. Look at Athena. This is before y'all. Y'all hear that H pipe sounding real good. All right, so we back live again. I'm finna get ready. Look at Athena, as you can see. Oh yeah, that spoiler is awesome. I like that spoiler. It look real good, don't it?
It's a perfect amount of.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Perfect. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's right there. all is done. Athena is looking more and more aggressive as we continue to martyr. I know the missus is she's gonna be wild. She's gonna be happy. So I'm gonna end this video. Back out in this mess, as you can see. So gotta pay attention. Mustang Muscle out.